Is it time to buy or sell Trump Media and Technology Group stock? In this video, we're diving deep into Trump Media and Technology Group. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 2nd of June, 2025. And now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for anyone among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 27th of May, 2025, our system has identified Trump Media and Technology Group as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of negative 3.27. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock recorded a loss of 7.20%. This equates to an average loss of 1.44% per day since it was designated as a sell candidate. The stock is positioned within a broad and robust rising trend in the short term, indicating that a further increase within this trend is expected. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 21.17% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging between 10.95% and 61.53%. When examining the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of negative 13.91%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from negative 72.23% to 89.38% over the coming year. In current terms, this would place the future price within a range of $5.94 to $40.51. Our latest daily update for Trump Media and Technology Group includes the headline, Trump Media and Technology Group Corp. Stock price ended at $21.39 on Monday after gaining 0.281%. The Trump Media and Technology Group Corp. Stock price rose by 0.281% on the last trading day, which was Monday, the 2nd of June, 2025. It increased from $21.33 to $21.39. During this trading day, the stock fluctuated 4.27%, ranging from a low of $20.58 to a high of $21.46. Over the last 10 days, the price has fallen in 6 of those days and is down by 16.58% in that period. The trading volume decreased on the last day by 15 million shares, with a total of 9 million shares exchanged, amounting to approximately $190,800,000. It is important to note that a decline in volume alongside rising prices may indicate divergence and could signal potential changes in the near future. Over the past 52 weeks, the high stock price was $54.68, while the lowest was $11.75. Currently, the price is 60.88% or $33.29 below the 52-week high, and 73.05% or $57.99 below the all-time high reached on the 26th of March, 2024, when the price peaked at $79.38. Recent developments in Trump Media and Technology Group trading under the symbol DJT have captured investor attention. The California State Teachers Retirement System, the second largest pension fund in the United States, recently disclosed substantial stock purchases of D-Wave Quantum and DJT. This move could bolster investor confidence and potentially stabilize DJT's stock price in the short term. However, DJT faced significant volatility last week, with shares plunging by nearly 17% before a recovery sparked by a private placement valued at $2.44 billion, completed with institutional investors. This liquidity boost is critical as DJT pivots heavily into the cryptocurrency space, particularly Bitcoin, marking its entrance as a serious player by establishing a Bitcoin treasury worth $2.5 billion. While this aligns with broader market trends favoring crypto assets, analysts are cautioning that this strategy carries risks, particularly given the company's ongoing struggle with profitability, posting first-quarter revenues under $1 million and a valuation stretched at over 1,800 times its annual sales. In the short term, the significant investment from institutional players might temporarily stabilize the stock price, However, for long-term investors, concerns remain regarding DJT's underlying fundamentals and the sustainability of its aggressive pivot into Bitcoin amid ongoing cash burn. The market will closely watch how these strategies unfold and their impact on stock price stability and growth potential. Analysts have assigned the Trump Media and Technology Group stock a general sell rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book value also as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for Trump Media and Technology Group. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Thursday, the 29th of May, 2025, and so far, it has risen by 2.69%. Further increases are indicated until a new top pivot is found. However, volume fell during the last trading day, despite rising prices, leading to a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning. The stock should be monitored closely. Some negative signals have also been issued, which could influence short-term developments. The stock of Trump Media and Technology Group Corp holds sell signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, indicating a more negative forecast. Moreover, there is a general sell signal based on the relationship between these two signals, where the long-term average is above the short-term average. On upward corrections, there will be resistance at levels of $22.63 and $23.82. The breakout above either of these levels will trigger buy signals. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, known as MACD. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal, pivots, buy signal 3 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 3 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 7 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 6 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 4 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 7 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 78 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 73 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Trump Media and Technology Group. Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation is finding support from accumulated volume at $21.33. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when this support is tested. The stock may experience significant movement during the day, indicating volatility. Additionally, with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is characterized as high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated 88 cents between its high and low, or 4.27%. In the past week, the stock has exhibited a daily average volatility of 11.08%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Trump Media and Technology Group, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, often referred to as the PE ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is losing money. Even well-established companies can go through downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest a lack of profitability and potential risks of bankruptcy. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Trump Media and Technology Group. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Trump Media and Technology Group is at $21.49. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Trump Media and Technology Group faces its first support level at $21.33. If this support level holds, it could represent a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Trump Media and Technology Group from multiple analyst sources is to sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 14th of May, 2025, Eric Swider conducted an insider sale of 3,000 shares of common stock, with a par value of 1/10,000th of a dollar per share. On the same day, Philip Juhan conducted an insider sale of 7,567 shares of common stock, with a par value of 1/10,000th of a dollar per share. Also on that day, Philip Juhan sold 416 shares of common stock, with a par value of 1/10,000th of a dollar per share. Additionally, on the same date, Philip Juhan conducted an insider sale of 36,774 shares of common stock, with a par value of 1/10,000th of a dollar per share. Finally, on the 14th of May, 2025, Philip Juhan sold 248 shares of common stock, with a par value of 1/10,000th of a dollar per share. Based on the 68 most recent insider trades, we've determined that insider power is positive with a ratio of 21.075. In total, insiders purchased 226,177,920 shares and sold 115,937,448 shares in these last 68 trades. We hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and no stop loss has been established. Is Trump Media and Technology Group stock a good buy? The Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation stock shows several negative indicators. Despite a recent positive trend, we anticipate that the company will perform poorly in the coming days or weeks. Thus, we maintain a negative assessment of this stock. Upon examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 3rd of June, we predict that Trump Media and Technology Group will open lower by approximately 247/10,000ths and begin trading at $21.14. We would like to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. It is essential to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you success in your trading endeavors and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from everyone here at Stock Invest.